Just to help you out, guys, for those of you who's having a problem identifying the version number on these dock connectors, look at where the screwdriver is placed, and this is the version number. So this is a Rev0.0 which I purchased off eBay, and it did not work. Brand new, stated as genuine. However, the version number is a Rev1.0, which doesn't work. Now if you go back to your original, which is that one there, it's still on the phone. If you look at the rev number here, this is the original that came in the phone, and it's a Rev0.0. So make sure that the new part matches the faulty part in your phone, otherwise it won't work. Hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching.